Tale Studio. Presenting The Humble Genius. A Tale of Albert Einstein. A tribute to legend from whom there is so much to learn. A humble, kind-hearted man. Composing this video in the memory of a great human being, Sir Albert Einstein. Once upon a time, in a small town named Ulm, there lived a brilliant young boy named Albert. He was an introverted child with a curious mind, always pondering the mysteries of the universe. His teachers and peers considered him a daydreamer. But little did they know that this quiet boy would go on to change the world of science forever. As Albert grew older, he faced many challenges. He struggled to fit into the conventional education system, and his unconventional ideas often clashed with traditional beliefs. Despite his difficulties, Albert never lost his passion for learning. He continued to read books, conduct experiments, and question everything around him. One day, a miraculous thing happened. Albert discovered a book about physics that captivated his imagination. The book described the laws governing the universe and the nature of light and matter. This newfound knowledge filled his heart with an overwhelming sense of wonder and amazement. Inspired by the book, Albert embarked on a journey of scientific exploration. He spent countless hours in solitude, deep in thought, and his breakthroughs seemed almost magical. Word of his genius began to spread, and people from all over the world sought his advice and insight. As Albert's fame grew, so did his sense of responsibility. He realized that his discoveries could shape the future of humanity, and he vowed to use his knowledge for the betterment of the world. Albert's humility, a trait that defined him, kept him grounded despite his immense achievements. One day, while working on a complex equation, a young girl approached Albert seeking help with her math homework. Although he was busy, Albert patiently listened to her questions and explained the concepts with great care. The girl left with a smile on her face, grateful for the guidance she had received from the great scientist. From that day on, Albert made it a point to help others whenever he could. He believed that true knowledge was not meant to be hoarded but to be shared for the greater good. His willingness to help and inspire others became his greatest moral virtue. Despite his fame, Albert lived a simple life, never seeking material wealth or fame. He valued the pursuit of knowledge, understanding, and empathy above all else. The world began to recognize that true greatness is not in the accumulation of wealth or status, but in the ability to positively impact the lives of others. Albert's journey was not without obstacles. He faced many failures and setbacks, but he never gave up. His persistence taught the world the importance of resilience and determination. He understood that mistakes were part of the learning process, and failure was merely a stepping stone towards success. As years passed, Albert Einstein's contributions to science became legendary. His theories on relativity and the nature of space-time revolutionized physics. Yet, amidst all the fame and recognition, he remained the same humble and kind-hearted man who had once daydreamed in his small hometown. The story of Albert Einstein teaches us several essential morals. Firstly, it reminds us to embrace our uniqueness and follow our passions, even when they defy societal norms. Secondly, it emphasizes the value of knowledge and its potential to change the world. Thirdly, it encourages us to be humble and help others, using our talents for the greater good. And finally, it highlights the importance of perseverance and resilience in the face of challenges. In conclusion, Albert Einstein's life serves as a timeless example of intellectual brilliance coupled with humility and compassion. His story continues to inspire generations, reminding us that the true measure of greatness lies not in what we achieve for ourselves, but in how we use our abilities to uplift others and make the world a better place.